Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So have you heard about the recent developments concerning Honorable Justice Lydia Mugambe Ssali? She's a Ugandan High Court judge and a United Nations tribunal judge who was recently convicted in the United Kingdom on charges related to modern slavery. You guys, I really feel sad for this lady and her family. If you are new to my channel, please do consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell and ensure that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So, according to the report, Justice Mugambe was found guilty of trafficking a young Ugandan woman to UK under false pretense, subsequently forcing her to work as unpaid domestic servant and nanny. So the court also heard that she confiscated the victim's passport and visa, restricting her freedom and exploiting her for personal gain. So the victim eventually sought help, leading to police investigation and Mugabe's arrest. You guys, my fellow Ugandans, I don't think that the victim really thought so much when she wanted to take action or when she sought help. Perhaps she didn't know that things would really get worse for her boss. Maybe she thought reporting to police would help her perhaps gain her freedom or get the actual pay that she's supposed to earn as per the UK regulations. Perhaps she was ignorant about the extensivity of the matter, of the case. Because I am sure if she knew that things would really reach this far, I don't think that would be the direction that she would take. Unless when you're telling me that her boss was really treating her in the manner that she has no any kind of sympathy or whatsoever you call it. At this point of the offense, at the time of the offenses, Justin Mugambe was pursuing a doctorate in law at the University of Oxford in the UK. She attempted to claim diplomatic immunity due to her UN position, but this was not recognized under the UK law. So the jury convicted her on multiple charges, including immigration offenses, forced labor, intimidating the witness, and of course her sentence is scheduled on the 2nd of May. I also believe that because of the judge's position and holding the diplomatic passport, she didn't really think that the matters would go this far. Perhaps she thought that things would be handled and everything would be settled, perhaps in both of their favors. So I believe that at first she took the matter not to be serious, because working for the UN and being the judge from Uganda, you are sent by the government of Uganda. Perhaps she thought that she had some power behind her, so she took things lightly. And for the victim, fine, she got help or she got someone that told her that, you know, you're being paid less. It's in UK, it's done like this, like this. I believe in the first place, she should have talked to her boss. You guys, so many people in Uganda are yearning to move to those countries, and people are willing to do whatever it takes to get there. So if you've been given an opportunity to go there, then you also have to think about the person who has helped you to get there. Anyways, perhaps the witness also thought that going and seeking help, she would get justice. Maybe the boss would increase her salary, she would gain her freedom, as she says, her passport and whatever was taken, whatever. But I believe that this matter would have been handled at first by the victim and the judge. But also because the judge took things lightly because of her power, perhaps it led to all this. So this case has gained sufficient attention due to Justin Mugabe's prominent legal standing and her previous work advocating for human rights. The conviction underscores the seriousness with which the modern slavery offenses are treated, irrespective of who you are, especially in the developed countries. You guys, this joke should be in our countries that are just developing. But when you look at the developed countries, they have laws, and the laws apply to each and everybody. You do not play around. So it is not so easy. I believe also the victim at this point, perhaps, if she is anyways regretting why she maybe didn't talk to her boss first. Maybe her as a nanny, she was not treated well, and she felt, if I have the advice to go straight to police, I'll go to police. But I really feel so sad that things went like this. I tell you, there are Ugandans abroad and Ugandans who are in Uganda, and those in Uganda will actually ask you, can you give me a pass? I'll come and clean your house and do what? But now this is a lesson to everyone, especially my fellow Ugandans. I know we try to create relationships, my brother, my sister, my child, because we want to get them a pass to those developed countries. But we have to be very careful, because at the end of the day, the other party will not think about you. They'll put claims that will really justify, and the law will apply to you. You may not be given a chance to be listened to, actually. And because of the developments in these countries, they track each and everything. So you may not be able to lie and escape from anything here. But the victim, I am wondering how you're feeling at this point. I know you took the right decision. I don't know if it's the right decision. I know you are fighting for your rights, which is okay. But how are you feeling right now? Are you satisfied? Do you think that there is something you should have done before going to police and filing these allegations? And for any Ugandan who is going to watch this video, I know you've heard about this story on TikTok, on different social media handles. What do you think I mean, what do you think should have been done better for both the parties? Because at this point, the witness, everything is in her favors. And the other lady, everything is turned down. Her life is destroyed. You work so hard for those years, and then something comes up like that, and that is it. So in the comment section, tell me, what do you think? Was this the right approach to handle the matter? Are we putting it that the victim was ignorant about the repercussions or about the seriousness of the offense in the UK? It is tough, it is hard, and I hope God will do accordingly. I mean, we can do nothing apart from God doing according to whatever He plans for everyone. So thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're new here, please do subscribe, give me a comment, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!